Classes are a series of sessions that are offered by your business. Led by a member of staff, clients can drop in and attend any classes that are open to them. They are not expected to attend every class, like it is expected in an enrollment. Examples of classes might be Monday morning Tai Chi or beginner's yoga. Before your class can be added to the schedule, the class type must first be defined in the WellnessLiving system. To create a class type, click the Setup tab on the top menu. Click Classes on the side menu. A list of class types are displayed. Click Add Class. Enter details about the class into the corresponding fields, like the name, description, and class photo. The Book Now tab sorts your services into categories if you offer multiple types of classes, which allows clients to find exactly the type of service they are looking for. You can also select any prerequisite classes that clients must attend prior, or set custom business policies for this class type, like enabling a wait list. Now you are ready to schedule your class.